इन टेक्स्ट बुक, उल्टा हो गया। ठीक है, सो डोंट स्टडी फॉर एन एग्जाम, जस्ट स्टडी फॉर योर सेल्फ। आपका इंटेलेक्चुअल लेवल हमको बढ़ाना है, सो दैट्स वाई वी आर लर्निंग दीज न्यू थिंग्स। ओके, वेरी गुड। विद दिस लेट्स स्टार्ट द मैथमेटिकल लॉजिक। इट इज द फर्स्ट चैप्टर। अगेन, डू नॉट टेक एनी नोट्स, just listen the class very carefully. What happens if you take the notes now, you will definitely miss some of the important points. Okay,
तर ते PDF पाठवलं ना.
हो PDF पाठवतो ना आपण, नेहमीच पाठवतो PDF. कुठली PDF राहिली का? नाही, कुठली PDF राहिली तर तुम्ही प्लीज मला मेसेज करा, असं मग मी तुम्हाला लगेच PDF कॉपी पाठवून देत असतो. ठीक आहे. मैथमेटिकल लॉजिक मतलब वी आर लुकिंग in the logics, we are understanding the logics which is there in the mathematics. In the whole chapter, what we are doing is we are taking our day-to-day life examples and we are molding those examples in the mathematical way. We are trying the statement, writing the sentences, statements in the mathematics. Okay, so tell me one very simple examples.
सर किसी का माइक ऑन है?
हाँ, प्लीज आई रिक्वेस्ट एवरीवन, प्लीज म्यूट योर माइक. Whenever I ask the question, then only you unmute and you can speak. Okay, do not disturb the class. Okay, so first of all, tell me the difference between these two sentences. I am writing the two sentences here. Number one, mathematics is easy subject. Mathematics is an easy subject. Second number is what? 5 plus 4, it is equals to 9. What is the difference between these two? Okay, instead of this, taking this example, let me take the other example. Mathematics is related to numbers. What is the difference between these two? Mathematics is an easy subject and mathematics is related to numbers. Can you please tell me the difference between these two? ये दोनों सेंटेंसेस वी यूज डेली लाइफ में, हम लोग मे बी वी हैव यूज दिस सेंटेंसेस. सी हियर, कैन यू गिव मी द आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन? मैथमेटिक्स इज इजी सब्जेक्ट. अभी मैं बोलूँगा, इफ यू आस्क मी, आई विल से यस डेफिनेटली मैथमेटिक्स इज इजी सब्जेक्ट.
Sir,
या
sir, in second sentence, the maths is related to numbers. It is true, but in the first sentence, maths is easy subject. It is not true for all.
exactly
Sir,
the same thing I wanted to tell you here is that, see here everyone, very good, what's your name?
Arya.
आर्य. ओके, आर्य भट्टाचार्य. बघा इकडे, एव्हरीवन सी हियर, मैथमेटिक्स इज इजी सब्जेक्ट. अभी मुझे आप पूछोगे तो आई विल डेफिनेटली से यस मैथमेटिक्स इज इजी सब्जेक्ट. बट उस बंदे को पूछो जिसने 35% पे मैथ्स को निकाला है इन द 10th स्टैंडर्ड. उस बंदे को पूछो जिसने 10th स्टैंडर्ड में 35% पे पास हो गया है मैथमेटिक्स में, उसको पूछो भाई मैथमेटिक्स कैसा है. इतना गाली देगा वो, अरे वो तो हमारा सर इतना गंदा था, वो ऐसा पढ़ा है वैसा पढ़ा है, बहुत गाली देगा वो सब फैकल्टी को गाली देगा, सब्जेक्ट को छोड़ दो उधर ही, वो बहुत गंदा पढ़ा है ऐसा. सो उसको अगर पूछेंगे तो ही विल डेफिनेटली टेल दैट मैथमेटिक्स इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. बट आई विल से यस इट इज़ वेरी सिंपल, इट इज़ वेरी ईजी. ओके, सो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, वी आर गेटिंग टू आंसर्स. सो आई विल से यस and he will say no. But when you come to this side, mathematics is related to number, I will say yes definitely. अभी उस बंदे को, सेम बंदे को अगर पूछोगे ना, जो 35% लाया है ना, उसको भी अगर पूछोगे मैथमेटिक्स इज रिलेटेड टू नंबर्स, वो भी क्या बोलेगा? यस, मैथमेटिक्स इज रिलेटेड टू नंबर, ही विल से यस. मीन्स व्हाट? अ सेंटेंस which is having only one answer, either it is yes or no, either it is true or false, either it is true or false, doesn't matter. Okay, if the sentence is having only one answer, means that sentence is a statement. That sentence is known as a statement. Okay, what I'm saying, a sentence which is having only one answer, that sentence is known as a statement. अभी इसमें अगर देखो भाई, मैथमेटिक्स इज एन इजी सब्जेक्ट, यहाँ पे दो आंसर्स आ रहे हैं भाई, आप ट्रू भी बोल रहे हो और आप फॉल्स भी बोल रहे हो, मीन्स व्हाट, दिस इज नॉट अ स्टेटमेंट, इट इज नॉट स्टेटमेंट, डेफिनेटली इट इज नॉट स्टेटमेंट, बट yes, this is a statement, it is a statement. Are you getting the important difference between these two? If you understand this, half of the topic is very simple. So a very first definition of the statement, we can say that if a sentence is having only one answer, either true or false, it is not necessary that वो true ही होना चाहिए, false ही होना चाहिए, that sentence is known as a statement. Okay, now this true value and false values are what? These are nothing but the truth values of that statement. Okay, अभी ये statement, this mathematics is easy subject is not statement, so इसको छोड़ दो अभी, it is not part of our syllabus right now, but this is a statement for us at this point. This is a statement. Now what is the truth value of this statement? Is S. What is your answer? Is the truth value. So my truth value is nothing but the answer to that statement. So yes, it is a true, so I can say it's a T. Abhi truth values, okay, I will write here truth value. Truth values are of two types. Either you can say it either a true or you can say it's a false. So for our statement, this is for our statement, my truth value is T. Are you getting this point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it okay?
मतलब सर
Okay,
मतलब
perfect.
ये यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ
Now
है ना सर
once you
वैसे.
have, yeah, हाँ, yes, it
Okay.
is a universal truth, yes. Now if I give you some examples, tell me, what about this? Sun rises in the east. sun rises नहीं है, IPL में sun rises नहीं है ये sun rises in the east, EAST. So tell me whether it is a statement or not.
स्टेटमेंट.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is a statement. And what is the truth value? So I will write it's a statement, STATEMENT. It's a statement, and here I will write truth value. So tell me what is the truth value of this?
True.
Yes, it's a true. What about second example? 5 into 2, it is equals to 11. Is it a statement or not?
नो सर.
No, sir.
No.
It is not statement. What is the truth value?
False. False.
It is definitely false. Now see here. Now let me take you again back. What we are saying, if you have this statement, then only you have the truth values. If you have the if you have the statement, then only you have the truth value. Means what? देखो यहाँ पे इसका आप truth value दे रहे हो sir, which is false, and you are saying sir it is not statement. No, it is a statement. It is a statement, but it is a false statement. यहाँ पे कुछ undefined है क्या? यहाँ पे everything is okay, everything is means universally this is a statement. Now instead of this, if I write like this, 5x is equals to 15. 5x is equals to 15. Is this a statement? No, it is not statement, because here x is unknown to me. X is unknown to you. That's why I say that it is a not statement. But in the second example, everything is known. 5 by पता है, 2 पता है, 11 पता है, equal का sign पता है, everything is known. If everything is known, then it becomes a statement. Means I can find its truth value. Either it is true or false, that I can tell.
It means
Yeah,
in
yes.
statement everything become to know you.
Yes, everything should be valid. Everything should be defined.
Yes.
Okay. Means what? If you are able to give the answer as a true or false, then I say that is a
Yes.
statement. Now tell me 5x is equals to 11. If I ask you 5x is equals to 11,
sir.
is it true? No, it is not true because it is totally depending on
Yes.
the value of x. But if I say 5x is equals to 11 for x is equals to 11 by 5, now this
Yes.
becomes a statement.
It's true.
Whenever I give the value of x, whenever I define the x, means what? It becomes the statement. Okay, but at this point 5x is equals to no, only if this is the case 5x is equals to 11, it is not a statement. So the truth value is not applicable.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, in second question, if
Yes.
there will be 5 into 2 is equals to 10, then the truth value will be t only, no? Yes, sir.
True. Yes, the truth value will be t then. It is a statement and the truth value is t.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Okay. Let's take the next. It is very simple, boss. थोड़ा दिमाग की बत्ती जलाओ और पूरे मार्क्स लाओ, ऐसा बोल सकते हैं. वेरी गुड, राइम चल गया. Okay, every triangle has three sides. EVERY. Every triangle has three sides. Is
Yes,
it
sir.
a
Yes, sir.
statement?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Is it true?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is true. If I write every triangle has two sides, is
Yes,
it a
sir.
statement?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is a still statement, but the truth value will be false then. Okay, so please understand. Again, I am telling that if you are able to give the answer as a true or false, then I can say that is a statement.
Sir. Sir.
Okay, tell
Sir,
me what
how
about this.
can
Yes,
every
Manu.
triangle has two sides be a statement?
Why not? Every triangle has a two sides. Tell me, it is a true or false?
It's false, I think. Yes.
It's a false. No, it's a false. It's a false. When you are able to give the answer as a true or false, means what?
Oh,
That is
yeah,
a
okay,
statement.
understood.
What I am saying is, answer क्या है, that doesn't matter. What is the truth value, that doesn't matter. Whether it is true or false, it doesn't matter. क्या होना चाहिए, क्या नहीं होना चाहिए कि at a single instance your answer should not be true as well as false. The thing here we have seen, the maths is easy subject. You may say it's a true, I may say it's a false. Means what? A single sentence is getting two answers, which is not allowed. But the moment I say every triangle has two sides, सब लोग बोलेंगे भाई ये गलत है, it's a wrong.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting this? So that's why, see, answer doesn't matter, true है या false है, that doesn't matter. What matters is whether the given sentence is statement or not. Now tell me, what about this? Please give me, क्या चाहिए आपको? Give me a pen ले लो. Please give me a pen.
Yes.
No, sir.
Is it a statement?
No, sir.
अभी statement identify कैसे करेंगे हम लोग? Okay, tell me it's a
So
truth
it
value.
can be
ये true है या false है?
both, sir. Anyone can deny or accept. Yes, sir.
It can be both. Okay, it can be both. Means what?
Yes,
Definitely it is not a statement. Please give me a pen. मतलब ये request
Yes,
कर रहे
sir.
हैं. Statement नहीं है ये. It is a sentence, but it is not a statement. Okay. Next. How are you?
Sir, it is not a statement.
How are you? It is not a statement. अभी how are you का आंसर आप मुझे पूछोगे तो मैं बढ़िया बोलूँगा. आप किसी और को पूछोगे वो बोलेगा कि नहीं भाई मेरा मूड अच्छा नहीं है, बोलेगा वो. मतलब the answer varies person to person. Next. Okay, I hope you are getting this now. Let us go for a T.
Not a
Let
statement.
us
It's not
go
a statement.
for a T. Exactly, it's not a statement. Eighth one. X square plus 2x plus 5, it is equals to 0, has two roots. X square plus 2x plus 5 equals to 0 has two roots.
Statement. It is a statement.
It is a statement, boss. Though we don't know the value of x, but I know it is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation को दो roots होते हैं. That is definitely true. So yes, it is a statement and it's a true value.
Sir, what
T.
is,
Are you getting?
sir, for a fifth,
Sorry?
sixth and seventh example, there is not truth value.
नो, इट्स अ नॉट ॲप्लिकेबल. यू कॅन राईट. ट्रुथ व्हॅल्यू कधी असणार आहे? जर तो स्टेटमेंट आहे
Yes, sir,
तरच
yes, sir.
ट्रुथ व्हॅल्यू असणार आहे. तो स्टेटमेंटच
Yes,
नाही आहे
sir.
तर तो ट्रुथ व्हॅल्यू येणारच नाही आहे.
Sir,
Okay.
when there is a
Yes.
three roots of to the quadratic equation, it's a statement.
Okay, if I write 3 roots,
Yes, it's a,
Yes,
Tell me.
statement.
it's a
False.
statement but it is a false statement. Okay, it
Yes.
is a statement but it is a false. Very good. Next, he is. Okay, I will write. Okay, he is. No, he is nice. She is right. She is looking at. She is beautiful. हाँ, बोलो अभी इसका statement है.
no, sir.
No,
She is
sir.
beautiful.
No, sir.
अभी those students are saying yes, you might have imagined
No, I
your
think, sir.
girlfriends. Okay,
It's not.
yes,
sir.
definitely it is not. अभी she कौन है ना, उसके ऊपर डिपेंड है बॉस. If you are looking at दीपिका पादुकोण, you may say yes sir, she is beautiful. बट अगर किसी को पसंद नहीं है तो वो क्यों बोलेगा सर नहीं वो अच्छी नहीं है वो. मीन्स व्हाट, अभी ये she कौन है ना, उसके ऊपर डिपेंड रहेगा आपका आंसर ट्रू है या फॉल्स. So definitely it is not a statement. So
Well, sir,
it's not applicable.
when there
Any
is
doubt
mentioned
here?
name,
Yes.
so it's a statement.
Okay. If I write here Deepika, Deepika is beautiful. Tell me what about this now?
Yes.
This
No,
is
it's
also
not a
not a
Is it a
statement.
Sir,
statement?
it's not a statement.
It is also not a statement because I don't know who is Deepika. You may say sir Deepika Padukone. I may say it's the Deepika who lives here besides my home.
Sir,
You
It
don't
is
know
common now.
who is this Deepika is. It's a common name. Okay, if I write, see here, if I write sun is hot.
It's a statement.
It is a
Sun
statement.
is hot. Yes, of course, it is a statement and it's a true. Definitely it is true. Or it is a statement. Yes, it is not.
Yes.
Are you getting
Yes,
this?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Good, very good. Okay, very good. अभी ये हो गए अलग अलग statements. Okay, now
every
yes.
sentence has to become
Yes,
common
yes.
answer. If it is true, has
Every
to common
sentence?
answer. Everyone has to say if it is true.
Okay.
So everyone has to say it's true.
यस तेच सांगितलं मी आधी जो सबसे पहिले जो एग्जाम्पल पे बताया ना मैं मैथ इज रिलेटेड टू नंबर्स यू इफ यू आस्क एनीवन एवरीवन विल से यस बट इफ आई आस्क दिस टू लेट सपोज 100 स्टूडेंट्स some of the students say yes, some of the students say will no. So that's why it is not a statement and it is a statement. So in summary what we can say is that if a sentence को अगर फिक्स आंसर है एक ही कॉमन फिक्स आंसर है then I say it's a statement. If the sentence is having two answers then it is not a statement at all.
Yes.
I think that makes
Yes,
a sense
yes, sir.
to all.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Okay, now let's see here. अभी जो हम लोगों ने देखा ये सब these all the 9-10 examples, these are all single statements or they may not be a statement, but now what we will do, we will consider more than two statements, more than one statements, more than one statement. अभी हम लोग सिर्फ statement देखेंगे. Now I will not bring the sentences here, I will directly bring the statements only. Okay, more than one statement like this. Bat is, oh sorry, not bat. Ball is circular. Okay, and what I can say is hairs are, no hairs फिर से conflict हो जाएगा. Laptop requires
Charging.
electricity. We'll say laptop requires electricity. So tell me whether these two are the sentences or statements. Both are the statements. Ball is circular, yes it is true. Laptop requires electricity, it is also true. Now what I want to do, I want to combine these two statements. अभी कंबाइन करने के लिए आपके पास टोटल 5 ऑप्शंस है. ओके, इन आवर सिलेबस हम लोग इसको कंबाइन 5 वेज में कर सकते हैं. ओके, So either you can use here and, I can use here and. देखो, ball is circular and laptop requires electricity. Is this okay? Have we combined this statement?
Yes.
Okay. Next time I can use or. Ball is circular or laptop requires electricity. See, there were two different statements. Now I am combining them. So अभी if you think ये हो गया एक complete one sentence now. One complete statement. Ball is circular or laptop requires electricity. Next. If ball is circular, then laptop requires electricity. Is this okay to all? This is the third phrase with which we can combine the two statements.
Yes, sir.
Is this okay, everyone? Okay. The next is what? If and only if and only if ball is circular, comma, laptop requires electricity. We will see. अभी इसका आंसर का आप सोचो मत. अभी क्या हम लोग सिर्फ कॉन्सेंट्रेट कर रहे हैं कि हाउ वी कैन कंबाइन द टू डिफरेंट स्टेटमेंट्स इन अ सिंगल स्टेटमेंट. सो दीज आर द 4 different ways with which you can combine 1, 2, 3 and 4. Is this okay? So these are the 4 phrases with which we can combine the two different statements. Any doubt here?
No, sir. Sir, can you repeat?
So these all 4, yes. So these all 4 statements, these all 4 phrases are known as the connectives. Connectives है. Okay. So and, or, if, then, if and only if. So these are known as in connectives which connect two statements. Is this okay, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now let's see. Now let's focus one by one. What is and, what is or, what is if then, and what is if and only if. Okay, let's see. The first one is the and. The number one connective is an and. So these are known as a connectives. Okay. अभी ये एंड है ना, ये हम लोग गरीब लोग हैं ना, हम लोग मैथमेटिक्स, वी आर नॉट प्योरली मैथमेटिशियंस एंड वी आर इंडियंस. ओके, अपना इंग्लिश कैसा रहता है? ओके, मेरा तो एटलीस्ट मेरा तो इंग्लिश कैसा है? गाउटी इंग्लिश है. ओके, सपोज अभी ये फॉरेनर आ गया तो हाउ ही विल से द एंड. ही विल नॉट से एंड. व्हाट ही विल से? ही विल से इट्स अ कंजंक्शन. मीनिंग सेम है भाई दोनों का. एंड कंजंक्शन सेम है. ये हम लोग गरीब लोग यूज़ करेंगे, ये वो फॉरेनर यूज़ करते हैं. वो दोज पीपल विल से इट्स एन कंजंक्शन. इफ़ यू से बोथ, नो प्रॉब्लम, एक्सेलेंट. एंड कैन ऑल्सो बी नोन एज एन कंजंक्शन. अभी कंजंक्शन डायरेक्टली अगर मैं दिया तो यू मे से सर इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. नो, इट्स नॉट डिफिकल्ट. लेमन लैंग्वेज इज एन एंड. ओके, सो प्योर मैथमेटिशियंस विल यूज द कंजंक्शन एज अ फ्रेज. Okay, see here now. I will take 2 statements here. Statement A. Sun is hot. Statement B. Okay. Ideal case. Can you please tell me one sentence? Sorry, one statement.
Ice is cold.
Ice is cold.
Ice is cold. Okay, thank you so much. Ice is cold. Now I am combining these 2 statements. See here. Sun is hot and ice is cold. Okay. See, the whole topic is the same. Okay. हम लोग कहीं पे भी a+b और x² y² यूज़ नहीं करने वाले. पूरे टॉपिक में नियर अबाउट वी हैव 4 to 5 एक्सरसाइजेस एंड इन ऑल द एक्सरसाइज वी हैव द सेम थिंग्स. आपको सिर्फ ट्रू और फॉल्स निकालना है. दैट्स इट. हाउ सिंपल दिस टॉपिक इज. ओके, नाउ सी, दिस इज व्हाट माय फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट A and this is the second statement B and this is my कनेक्टिव एंड.
सर यानी कि
Now
हमें
let's
यहाँ
have
पे सही कनेक्टिव
the
चूज करना है.
नहीं, you can use any connective here. You can use all of the four connectives here. You can use and, you can use or, you can use if then, you can use if and only if. All the connectives you can use. But every connective has its own meaning. That is I am
Yes.
telling you. Every connective has its own meaning. Okay, see here. Statement A and statement B. Now tell me, what are the different options available for statement? Truth value. Statement A could be true. It could be, if it is true, the B true. If it is true, it is false. If it is false, if it is true and false and true. What I have taken? I have considered the all scenarios,
Sir,
all
false.
the possible
False.
answers for a
False, false, पण असू
Sorry?
शकतं.
for. I have considered all the four scenarios. See, when you have the two sentences, you will have 2 raised to 2 number of options. So these are the different 4 options you are having with you. Okay, don't think of this example right now. Okay, अभी इसको देखो मत. We will come to the answer. क्या आंसर आएगा इसका? हम लोग एक्चुअली इसका ट्रुथ वैल्यू निकाल रहे हैं अभी. ओके, सो एंड का ट्रुथ वैल्यू, ट्रुथ टेबल कैसा होता है देखेंगे. सो वी आर फाइंडिंग द ट्रुथ टेबल फॉर एंड, फॉर कंजंक्शन. We are finding the truth table for and. Consider this is statement number 1 and statement number 2, and these are the 4 options we have for these statements. Have you understood this? TT, TF,
Yes, sir.
FT and FF?
Yes, sir.
The students, electronic background students, you might have understood this. Okay, बाकी के बच्चों को भी सेम है. If you are tossing a 2 coins, what is the answer? Either you will get head or tail. If you are tossing a 4 coins, what will be the sample space?
8.
Have you studied this probability? Okay, it is not 8.
2 raised
It's
to
2
4.
raised to 4.
Yes.
16 आएगा इसका आंसर. We will see this. Don't worry. Okay, क्या करना है आपको? जितने स्टेटमेंट्स है ना, देखो भाई, एक स्टेटमेंट को 2 ऑप्शन है. एक स्टेटमेंट को 2 ऑप्शन है. सो सपोज वी हैव 4 स्टेटमेंट्स. सो कितने ऑप्शन हो गए? 2 raised to 4 ऑप्शन हो गए अपने पास. ओके, सो कितने स्टेटमेंट्स है? रेज टू पावर 2 करना है. So we have 2 statements, so it is a 2 raised to power 2. So ये 2 क्या है? True and false. Either true or false. Okay. Now tell me, if I am using and, means I am combining the 2 individual statements. If first one is true and second one is true, then the total combined statement is true or false?
Sir,
True.
It is going to be true only.
Sir, can you repeat?
Okay, yes, definitely I will repeat. If I ask you, okay, we will come to this example afterwards, after let's say some 5 minutes. If I ask you, while entering your examination hall, you require hall ticket and your identity card.
Yes.
Is this okay?
Yes.
Entering the exam hall, you require the hall ticket of that exam and you require your
Yes.
identity proof. Now when you are entering, if you have both, means you have the hall ticket, you have the identity card, means true means you have both, means you will allowed in the examination hall.
Yes.
Is this okay? If you have hall ticket but you don't have identity card, will you
Not allowed.
allowed to
No.
the exam? No, of course not. If you don't have the hall ticket but if you have the I-card, then also you are not allowed for exam. If you don't have both, भाई घर पे जा आराम कर दो. ठीक है, ये भी false हो गया. Means what? When you are using and, means your both statements should be true. This is the case where I am having the truth table for the and, so both the
Yes.
statements should be true. Now coming back to the second connective. रिपीट करने में क्या है बॉस? इसमें देखिए भाई, हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, 2 स्टेटमेंट्स लिए हम लोगों ने. वी हैव टेकन 2 स्टेटमेंट्स विद देयर पॉसिबल ट्रुथ वैल्यूज. सो ट्रू फॉल्स फॉल्स. दिस इज स्टैंडर्ड वन. ओके, ये स्टैंडर्ड है. सो स्टेटमेंट ए है कि you have the hall ticket. Statement B is the you have the identity card. If you have both, then you are definitely allowed for an exam. If you have the hall ticket but you don't have the identity card, means what? You will not allowed for an exam. That's why I am writing here पे false. True means allowed, false means not allowed. For this example, okay. Similarly, हॉल टिकट नहीं है बट आई कार्ड है, नहीं चलेगा भाई. सर दोनों भी नहीं है, क्या करूँ? घर पे जाओ, ये भी अलाउड नहीं है. ओके, सो इफ यू हैव द हॉल टिकट एज वेल एज दिस, देन you are allowed.
Yes, sir.
Is this okay? This will be more clear if I take more next example. If suppose the two statements I am taking now, but this time I am using the OR statement. Okay, so OR. So ये OR को हम लोग बोलेंगे disjunction. Okay, हे मी नंतर सांगतो तुम्हाला. But first let me tell you the truth table, difference between the and OR. Okay, suppose A is like, it's a very hot here. Okay, now we are having summer. Okay, it's very hot. अभी रात में खाना होने के बाद suppose I want to have an ice cream. Second, and I want to have an cold coffee. Okay, so these are the two statements. So if two statements, we have the 4 options, that is 2 raised to 2, 4 options. So those options will be, कैसा लिखना है? पहिल्या स्टेटमेंटला दोन्ही ट्रू लिहा, मग दोन्ही फॉल्स लिहा. Then for B, write down true false. That's it. This will give you the all possible combinations of true and false. Now OR means what? It's a summer here and I want to have some cold beverages. So if I get ice cream or if I get the cold coffee, is it okay for me? I require any of these two. Ice cream or cold
So it
coffee.
will be,
ये ice cream हो गया
so
और ये
truth
cold
value of
coffee हो
first 3 will be true and only last will be false.
गया. Exactly. Very good. So if I get ice as well as the cold coffee, that is very good, sir. I am very happy. But if I get only ice cream but not cold coffee, then also it is okay, because what is my objective is at the end I want some cold things. So ice cream is cold, which is okay for me. If I don't get ice cream but if I get the cold coffee, that is also okay for me. But if I don't get ice cream as well as the cold coffee, नहीं सर मैं नाराज़ हो जाऊँगा, मुझे नहीं चलेगा, मुझे कुछ तो एक चाहिए सर. Either I require the coffee or the cold coffee or the ice cream. I require any of these two. If you get both, बल्ले बल्ले एकदम खुश. If you get any of these two, that is okay, no problem. But if you don't get anything, no sir, it's not correct. I require something. So this is what we have the truth table for the OR. Are you getting this point? Okay, so this is the difference. So I will mark the difference here. Do not mug up the truth table. क्योंकि ये तो अभी 2 ट्रूथ टेबल हो गए. वी हैव नियर अबाउट 50 ऑफ ट्रूथ टेबल्स कमिंग देयर. ओके, डोंट वरी, सबका बेस सेम रहेगा, डोंट वरी. 50-100 है, मतलब अलग अलग नहीं है. बट यू रिक्वायर दीज ट्रूथ टेबल्स फॉर द नेक्स्ट ऑपरेशंस. सो एंड मीन्स व्हाट? बोथ आर कंपल्सरी. और मीन्स व्हाट? आइदर ऑफ दीज टू. उतना ही अगर आप याद रखोगे, that is more than sufficient. Is this okay everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so these are the 2 truth table. The next connective we have, so ये and हो गया. So next or means what? It's an disjunction. Second is an or. इसका भारी वाला नाम क्या है? इसका भारी वाला नाम है disjunction. Okay, अमीरों का नाम, ये गरीबों का नाम और. The next we have is the if and then. Okay, if and then. Okay, if and then नहीं है, if comma then. Okay, इसको क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? फॉरेनर लोग क्या बोलेंगे इसको? हम लोग इसको बोलेंगे implication भी बोल सकते हो और कंडीशनल भी बोल सकते हो. implication or the conditional. If then, I will write one example, simple example. Okay, is time over? We have 3 minutes more. Why students are still posting the answers in the group?
Sir, morning
Class
batch
is
का
going on. बहुत स्मार्ट है तू. What's your name?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, मिहिर क्या? Very good, मिहिर. Thank you so much. Okay, अभी एग्जाम्पल देखो. आपने एक लड़की को प्रपोज किया है. See, don't take all these examples personally, okay? I just want to keep the environment of the class very fruitful. That's why I take these such a funny examples. So don't worry. Suppose you propose a girl and if she says yes, then what happens here? अगर तुम मिल जाओ कॉमा जमाना छोड़ देंगे हम. वेरी गुड. ओके, वेरी गुड. सो दिस इज नथिंग बट एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ इफ एंड देन. इफ यू अभी हम लोग इसको ट्रांसलेट कैसा करेंगे? इफ तुम मिल जाओ देन हम जमाना छोड़ देंगे. इज दिस ओके एवरीवन? ओके, सो लेट्स take this as a statement A and this as a statement B. See here, A and B, and here is the if and then truth table we are writing. Understand this truth table very carefully. Okay, write down all the possibilities T T F F T F T F. देखो यहाँ, अगर तुम मिल जाओ, if it is true, अगर तुम मुझे मिल गई, मैं ज़माना छोड़ रहा हूँ, मैं ज़माना नहीं छोड़ रहा हूँ. अगर तुम मिल जाओ, हम ज़माना छोड़ेंगे क्या? नहीं छोड़ेंगे हम. मीन्स ये दोनों स्टेटमेंट ट्रू है. ओके, इफ़ यू डोंट गेट दिस एग्जाम्पल, आई विल टेल यू वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. इफ़ यू पास एग्जाम, I will give you
This
mobile.
is correct, sir. This is happening everyone.
If you pass exam, I will give you mobile. You are passing an exam and I am giving you mobile. It is true. Next is, you are passing an exam and I am not giving you mobile.
False.
Sir, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा सर. आप अपने वर्ड्स को रखना चाहिए. ओके, मीन्स व्हाट? Yes, it's a false. I should keep my words. If you are passing an exam, I should give you mobile. So यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहा है? मैं मोबाइल नहीं दे रहा हूँ आपको.
Okay, sir.
Next, if you are not passing an exam, then also I am giving you mobile. Is this okay? It is perfectly fine. It is perfectly fine. You are not passing exam, then also I am giving you mobile. Maybe you have a birthday. Okay, maybe you have done something extraordinary calm. You have not passed the exam and I'm not giving you mobile. It is also perfectly fine. No problem. It's a true. This is known as an one-way condition. One-way condition मतलब क्या है? यहाँ से यहाँ तक condition जा रहा है. See, understand the example. If you pass exam, I will give you mobile. And the next statement I will write like, if and only if you pass exam, I will give you mobile. If and only if you pass exam, I will give you mobile. So in that case, so if I write here if and only if, so tell me the truth table now. If you pass exam, I will give mobile. Is it true? If and only if you pass exam, I give you mobile. Is it true? Yes, perfect. If you pass exam, I am not giving you mobile. Is it true? No, it's a false. The next third statement, you are not passing an exam, still I am giving you mobile. Is it true?
No.
It's a false. No, it's a false. What I am saying is, if and only if I am using, see here, I am using if and only if. There, if you are passing an exam, अगर आप एग्ज़ाम पास होंगे तो ही मैं आपको मोबाइल दूंगा, नहीं तो नहीं. आपका बर्थडे रहने दो, आप एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी काम करो, कुछ भी करो, आपको मोबाइल तभी मिलेगा जब आप एग्ज़ाम पास करोगे. द फोर्थ स्टेटमेंट इज सेइंग एग्ज़ाम पास नहीं मोबाइल मिले. इट इज़ एब्सोल्युटली ट्रू. Okay, so don't worry, we will again cover these sentences. I will take this example. Okay, remember to take this example. This is very funny example. Okay, so with this we will stop here and we'll continue in the next week.
Thank you, sir.